Yeah, really far.
Holy shit.
That is awesome. Look at that.
We should have a big cone come down in the middle there. Dude, we're gonna have a wedge. Look at it. Look at it now. It's tightening up in the middle there.
We've got rapid rotation, guys, and part of it's over our head.
There it is. There it is.
Right there?
Right there.
Oh, look at it.
Debris.
Holy shit.
Did you see that debris? Look at it.
Right there.
Yep.
There it is. Oh, shit.
Hey, get ready to grab this tripod, Steve. We gotta go. Let's go, Steve. Fold it up. Let's go, dude. Get in the car, Joel. We got trees. I can't videotape. Big time tornado on the ground.
Get it, Rick.
Go, Dean. Go.
Shit.
Go. There's debris flying around it. There it goes.
Yeah.
Go. We gotta go north on 40, 34. We gotta go.
Stop
There
sign.
it is.
Roll up your window, Reed.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy!
Whoa, that's strong, guys! Yeah! There's a little needle coming down.